I got some with these kind of capsules, and then I got some with KD.
Yeah, okay.
How do you change? Very hard.
Yeah, you could more or less put them in rates all the same with one company, with one of each on the end. Yeah, yeah.
Very nice. I like the little pen scale and the British color.
Running through
It's separated. Oh, that's derailed. That's why.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks, good.
You're one of the plate leaders, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I am as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a British N scale there at home.
Have you? There you go.
Yeah. So it's set right at the end of the groupings. So it's LMS, more or less, so it's about 1847.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Just before the grouping.
Yeah. So this is really nice.
Brand new, first time it's been out anyway.
Okay, yeah. Your name is?
John Rowe, B&U's.
Okay, I recognize him. Rob. This
Yeah.
is very nice.
Yeah, I see you at most of the shows we go to.
Yeah.